Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Ketholeno. Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Department said 832 COVID-19 positive cases were detected this week, out of which 56% were traced contacts. The department said increasing COVID-19 positive cases among patients attending flu clinics in hospitals is worrying since many of them do not have history of travel or known contact with a positive case. 122 such cases were reported in the last 2 weeks, said the department in its weekly COVID-19 bulletin. The department said sample positivity rate of the state is higher than the national rate at 9%. It said weekly sample positivity rate has increased rapidly from 4% in the last week of August to 18% as of this week. The case mortality rate in the state also slightly increased to 0.26%. More than 80% of the state's total cases reported this week are in Dimapur and Kohima. It said uncontrolled spread is observed in closed settings like offices, restaurants, bakeries, religious communities, increasing risk elsewhere. The department said positivity among household contacts is 28%, which is more than office goers' rate of 24%. The positivity rate among the students also remains high at 17%. Health and Family Welfare Department has advised all citizens to contact the state helpline and quarantine themselves immediately if any symptoms develop. Noklak Deputy Commissioner Rennie Wilfred inaugurated the first Indian Oil Corporation Limited filling station at Noklak headquarters yesterday. Speaking on the occasion, the DC said it is the first milestone achieved after the formation of the district. Wilfred said the next milestone for the district should be road connectivity from Chendang Sadal to Noklak headquarters and from Noklak to various administrative circles, specifically Thonyuk New. The DC said initiatives have already begun to set special provision to ensure good road where landslide can be cleared at the earlier stage. He expressed hope that with the support of public and elective representatives, an all-weather road should be made available in the district. The DC said better road connectivity will bring down prices of essential commodities. Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan has expressed hope that COVID-19 vaccine will be made available in the country by January next year. Speaking at the program on DD News, Dr. Harsh Vardhan said there are 3 vaccine candidates in India, out of which one is at the advanced stage of clinical trial of phase 3. The other 2 vaccine candidates, which are in clinical trial of phase 2, one has recently entered the 3rd phase trial. Dr. Vardhan also said if the preparations in this regard made so far progress well, then 400 to 500 million doses of the COVID vaccine will be available in the country before June and July of next year. Dr. Harsh Vardhan also appealed to the people to follow COVID-appropriate behavior to check the spread of virus in view of the coming festive seasons. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in the Man Ki Baat program on All India Radio at 11 a.m. today. It will be the 70th episode of the monthly radio program. It will be broadcast on the entire network of AIR and Doordarshan and also on AIR News website www.newsonair.com and News on Air mobile app. It will also be streamed live on the YouTube channels of AIR, DD News, PMO, and Information and Broadcasting Ministry. AIR will broadcast the program in regional languages immediately after the Hindi broadcast. The regional language versions will be repeated at 8 in the evening. Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Prakash Javadekar has said that 3 crore dwellings have so far been constructed under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana in the country and 1.5 crore more are in the pipeline. He said that under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the government has done exemplary performance by providing for 12 crore toilets, electricity to 2.5 crore households, 4 crore water connections, and various schemes like Ujjwala, Gas, Jandan, Ayushman, and Education for All. And as the nation fights COVID-19 pandemic, let us remember to stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps: wear a face mask, wash hands frequently with soap and water or use hand sanitizer, and follow social distancing. With that, we come to the end of morning news. Have a nice day.